Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to clean your screen if you want to know how to do that the proper way. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, so we're all touching the screen and things like that, so we're obviously all going to need to clean it at some point. So the way you do that is go into the car here, go into display, and then hit screen clean mode. And there's actually a mode where you can clean the screen, do whatever you need to do, because obviously if you don't want to be doing this while you've got the actual active screen, because you're going to do this type of stuff, you could hit something and it might mess with your settings, or hopefully you're not doing this while you're driving, because that could be a bad thing. So anyways, so that's how you do it. Just hit that mode, and then when you're done, you can press and hold this, and it exits in 3 seconds, and it goes back to here. Now, if you're too impatient to wait the 3 seconds, because it's too long, I don't want to do that. So if your car is not active, if you just hit the brake, it'll automatically go away, which is pretty cool. So if you're impatient, you can do it that way. And another way to do it too is if your car is active and ready to go, all you need to do is hit the brake and put it in drive, and then it'll go to it as well. So that's a couple ways you can do it to get out of the screen faster, if you want to get out of the screen faster and not have to hold it and wait for 3 seconds. So pretty simple. We all need to clean it. So, that's how you do it. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.